That's a fish, buddy. That is a fish and a half. Oh, he's dragging. He's pulling. He's pulling drag. All right.
I don't know.
I think we got a shark right here.
You just jumped right out. I don't know if that's him, but something just jumped. You better watch me.
He let it. Oh, he's still on it. Oh yeah.
That might be shark.
Oh. Whatever it is. This is a big fish.
Where's he going?
Back on the right.
I'll let him pass my lawn.
I'm gonna try not to. Don't go to the motor. Don't go to the motor. Ah, Pure Cajun Outdoors, baby. Another big bull shark. Louisiana rivers, baby. In the swamps, catching these swamp sharks out here, dude. Dude. Nocturnal Nation pig stickers. Y'all know how we do. Oh, you heard him? He's mad. Get out my swamps.